Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Frogmoon token. Name of the token is Frogmoon, all one word. Ticker symbol is Frog. Now it was just announced today that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Frogmoon token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 27th at 11 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you would have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search the ticker symbol FROG, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So far, they only have 28 holders, so this is a very brand new project here. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 80 million frog tokens. So it looks like there is a couple Pancakeswap transactions 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, 4 hours ago. Yeah, so these 28 holders seem to have gotten this token off of Pancakeswap already. So if you are looking to get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing, you can get this token off of Pancakeswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Frogmoon token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, frogmoon.me. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that in a second. So Frog Finance is DeFi's premier yield aggregator, giving individuals, DAOs, and other protocols a way to deposit digital assets and receive yield. The protocol is maintained by various independent developers and is governed by Frog holders. You can find a brief description of Frog's core products, governance process, and links on their document section. So you can go to docs.frogmoon.me and find all the info there. So there's vaults. Frog vaults are capital pools that automatically generate yield based on opportunities present in the market. Vaults benefit users by socializing gas costs, automating the yield generation and rebalancing process, and automatically shifting capital as opportunities arise. End users also do not need to have proficient knowledge of the underlying protocols involved or DeFi, thus the vaults represent a passive investing strategy. So they go over the whole background here about, the United States Treasury bills, T-bills, basically, how people have full faith and credit the U.S. states government, And they talk about low default risk, strong market liquidity, diversification benefits, and stable and predictable returns from the U.S. Treasury bonds. And then they have a little bit of team info actually on here. They don't have pictures though, but it says like their names, full names, job titles, background of 3 team members. But Frog Finance is DeFi's premier yield aggregator, giving individuals, DAOs, and other protocols a way to deposit digital assets and receive yield. Now, the allocation for this token, like I said, there's a total supply of 80 million Frog tokens, ticker symbol Frog. 85% of the tokens go to mining. 10% goes to the decentralized autonomous organization. 5% goes to the team. Now, it says this is a fixed amount of tokens with no further inflation mechanism. This makes Frog very scarce. No pre-mining or pre-sale. Frog did not conduct any pre-mine or pre-sale during the initial insurance stage. The founding team has not reserved a share of tokens, and all tokens are issued through mining. Then the initial distribution of Frog tokens occurs through mining. Users receive Frog tokens as rewards by providing liquidity and participating in various strategy pools and other activities. There's governance rights, so users holding Frog tokens have governance rights and participate in governance and decision makings of the ecosystem. These governance decisions may include protocol updates, new proposals, revenue distribution, etc. They talk about how to vote on proposals. There's also liquidity mining rewards, and there's automated revenue strategies. So Frog Finance, a decentralized platform whose core goal is to provide users with aggregate income services. So there's strategy, contracts, governance contracts, and vaults. Now, the vaults fund pool. So Frog Finance manages users' funds through vaults. Vaults are smart contracts used to store and manage users' digital assets. They are designed to automatically select the best strategy to maximize users' gains. They have strategy optimization to maximize users' benefits. These strategies can be a combination of various investment methods such as liquidity mining, lending, trading arbitrage, etc. There's the governance, I already went through that. There's liquidity and market access, and there's also security and auditing. So they may conduct ongoing security audits and take appropriate measures to protect the security of users' funds and the platform. And yeah, you can go over the whole business model, the governance section, all that type of stuff on their documents, docs.frogmoon.me. You can check out their webpage, frogmoon.me, and you can check out their Twitter. As usual, I'm going to put that up right here. 13,300 Twitter followers. Has a link to their Telegram on this Twitter there and their webpage. It is @FrogOfficial on Twitter. 54 tweets you can check out as well. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.